Say, no, David, no. You might have to start him.
What does it say? No, David, no. What's he doing?
Trying to get the cookie.
Oh, no. No, David, no.
What's he doing?
Did he bring in mud? My son.
What's he say, Dash? No, no, no.
That's a shark. He's trying to get that.
Yeah, that's not good. Look at the bathtub's overflowing.
What's he say, Dash? What's he say?
Get that clothes on.
What does she
What's
say?
it say?
No, David, no.
What does
Come
she?
back here, David.
Good job.
Be quiet, David.
Yeah.
No, play with your food, David. Too much food, David.
Oh, you ate his food.
Well, oh, you get some too, Jake.
You listen to him.
What does it say?
No, go back to your room, David. Wrestle down, David.
No, you're going the wrong way.
Oh, wrong way, Dash.
Yeah,
Go
say.
the other way.
No, David. He's big.
You can
Stop that.
Stop that. That is
stop that this instant.
What's he doing?
pick up the rope, David. He's the catcher.
He is the catcher.
Get the bag. She can hit him.
Yeah.
What does his mom tell him? Don't.
Stay in the house.
Very good.
Mom. Oh, yeah.
Now, what does she say?
I said no.
David, no.
No, David, no.
Come back here, David.
What does he say? Yes, David,
Davy. That's my favorite part. Did you see that? Davy, come here.